Hi guys, welcome back. For today's video I'm going to show you how I make the easiest roast potatoes at home. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe on this channel, join the family, share my videos, like the videos and comment on the videos. Let's get started. For today's ingredients, I'm gonna use the potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and add some turmeric, salt and water. And by adding turmeric, I just want to like change the color of my potatoes and give it a good, a good color and some flavor too. So I used half teaspoon of turmeric. I went ahead and added some salt to taste, some water, and later on cover that and bring it to a boil. Then make sure the potatoes do not overcook and mash, because we don't want to end up with the mashed potatoes. Let's check on our potatoes, and as you can see they're ready. The fork can easily go through. Also, you can see the power of using turmeric. My potatoes have literally changed its color. Use a wooden stick to help you know if the oil is ready, because you have to let the oil become hot before you add the potatoes, because you don't want them to get soggy. So my cooking oil is ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my potatoes and give it time to fry until crunchy. My potatoes are ready. You can see the color is popping so well. They are crunchy, and I'm gonna use a paper towel that will help me in absorbing the excess oil. Yep, let me come with the final results. Okay, and that's the easy way of making roast potatoes without an oven. So you can see it's crunchy outside and soft inside. It has cooked so well, and this is the best snack ever. There are so many ways of making roast potatoes, and I have my other videos. Just go and check them out on how to make the easiest, the yummiest roast potatoes. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Support me by sharing my videos, like, comment as always. And until on my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.